Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick tutorial I'm going to talk about how you can transfer money to Bangladesh with Remitly in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see we are right now selected Uganda, but we just want to transfer that money into the Bangladesh. So how we can do it? You just need to click over here and then select your country over that place. Let's search for Bangladesh, and here you can see that that is the country called Bangladesh is here in that place. So you just need to select this one, and let's select this one, and here actually you can see it already be changes. So here I will send $100 to Bangladesh. So just now I am going to click on get this rate. Once I click over here, I just need to be log into my account. Just click to here and continue my account with this email address because I already created an account. So this is the easiest way to create an account. That's why I am going to do here, and from that place again I just need to be change something over that place. Select the country Bangladesh over here, and then I will see the changes over that place. Here you will find out the visible changes. So it already been changed. So now I just need to click on send money. Once I click over here, then it will take me to the next system where I just need to be provide my information. So here I will select deliver method. It will be an bank deposit or mobile money. I will go with the mobile money, and then I will select the Bkash. Then I will select the payment. It will be a debit card, or you can go with the bank account. So I think a debit card will be quite good. Now here you can see I am getting fee discount almost this one. So I will click to the continue. Once I click over here, then here actually they will ask for my name. For example, I just need to provide my first name Rahim, then I just need to provide last name Rahman, and then I just need to be continue, and then here I just need to be provide my receptionist phone number. Then here just continue, and this way you just need to be fulfill this procedure, and now you are allowed or able to send your money from United States to Bangladesh easily without any fee. I hope you love this video. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.